learn about the GCP SDK. So now in this lesson we are going to learn about compute or service offering of GCP. So this will I will cover into 4 videos. So these would be like how to select compute service, preparing primitive VM versus custom VM, and then creating compute engine for VM, then connecting to VM instances. Then we are going to work on creating compute instance group, then Google Kubernetes engine, and after that we are going to use introduction to Cloud Run, then creating Google App Engine, and then some decision chart and quiz. So this is just a theory lecture. I think it's a bit boring, but it's good to learn for cracking the engine. So how to select compute engine. So we are going here a chapter how to select compute. So this topic we are going to cover: use app engine, use cloud function, use GKE, use cloud run, use compute engine. So in this lesson all about how to choose the right compute service of the GCP for our use case, right? So these are compute engine, Google Kubernetes engine, which we call GKE, then app engine, then cloud run, then cloud function, then VMware. So VMware engine is out of scope from the GCP exam. So if you see this diagram, this is none, this is full operation, this is all, this is limited. So app engine, cloud function, cloud run, Kubernetes engine. So as we going here, operation, as we go this side the operation will increase, as we go side this limit, some limitation we can't control. So in this chapter, x-axis define the operation, means how much operation need to manage by ourselves versus the ops managed by Google. The full means we have to take care of most of operation efforts and maintain the service, and then means GCP manage. Y-axis define type of workload which the service can be used. Full means any type of workload or use case can be achieved, where the limited means specific use case. Okay, use of app engine. App engine is a fully managed platform. So this is app engine here and here. So this is go there and here. So it's fully managed, right? So and it used to deploy web-based applications and mobile backends. The reason is it listed as limited workload to support application to speak uh, only HTTPS. Also it supports specific programming language only for custom run time need to create it with a Docker. This will be used when you don't want to operation and do want the focus only development. You don't care about OS, you want high availability the app across the geographic location. Application profitability is not your concern, your app communication is our HTTP. Okay, so this is where we use app engine. So now next is a cloud function. So cloud function are event trigger piece of code. The code is executed based on some event, and that's the reason useful for the some more workload compared to app engine, hence the located lower side of workload axis. This will be used when you want to accomplish something using code after event trigger. For example, when as image is uploaded, you want to compress that image and store in cloud storage. You can also develop a JavaScript, Go, Python, and Java. You don't care about OS. The functionality is time bounded. This means the code execution should be not exceed 540 milliseconds. So this is also so Google will manage, and what you just want to use when you want to do some kind of compression, you want to use language, use GKE. So GKE is here Kubernetes. So we have to do some operation, and the workload is also less, but operation is more. So Google Kubernetes Engine is managed Kubernetes service provided by Google. GKE can run different workload as long as they containerize. GKE does not require you to manage low-level configuration like OS. However, you need to define the cluster and their operation. So when to use GKE? When you have containerized workload, your focus is containers. You want portability, like you can migrate your app to other cloud provider if needed. You think container as unit of deployment. Okay, so there we use. So next is a cloud engine. So cloud run is a managed GKE service. You can mostly same as a GKE, except you are not worried about portability. You want to Google to manage cluster creation. Your workload are containerized. You want to charge little possible, free 2 million requests per month, a specific US region. You care about high availability ops. You don't care about that underlining OS and networking. So where you can run cloud run. Next one is use of compute engine. So the last service of compute engine is suitable for all type of workloads. It's a high performance and provide OS level access. However, with great power comes with great responsibility. So you use compute engine when you want to control our low level specifications such as CPU, GPU, RAM, OS, storage, network, etc. like configuration of computer. You want to shift the execution app. No containerized workload, bulk processing and required short life compute instance. For we will see the primitive compute instance in the next lesson. For now, explore compute option in. So this is GCP. So here if you go, this is compute, and compute is in Kubernetes engine, VM engine, distributed cloud. So you can explore these things. So I don't have billing, so it's asking for billing. I will update later, but for your account you can practice and explore this part. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.